Hey everyone, I'm actually back. I actually picked up this Homestead Wind 2 on Craigslist out in my area, but unfortunately while hanging this I had an accident where the ball actually slipped through the mounting bracket, so I'm thinking it's definitely a recalled mounting bracket from Homestead. So, but in this case, what I had to do, since I have over at least 4 broken blades, so they're not savable exactly because they're plywood and they're not a clean break either. So I can't fix those. But yeah, I got this because of the par light, and unfortunately, with the falling, the bulb broke inside, so the bulb no longer works on the par. So I got to get a new bulb. It just, yeah. So right now, I'm hanging this with a Envirofan shackle grommet to the J hook, just like mounting an industrial, to test this one, just to make sure it actually does work. I mean, there's no actual damage to the motor, just the blades. The blade arms are definitely intact, but it looks like I'll probably have to, if I can't get a spare set of Homestead blades. Probably the canopy is also bent out of shape, so I'm probably gonna end up parting this one out, maybe. Or so, one or the other, maybe use one or the other. I have a Wind 1 with this exact finish, the gunmetal that's illusionally black. So, yeah, here is low. And the current draw is 0.25, which is a typical. So, if I do mount this, I think I'm gonna definitely, I have stuff from Fanimation I can definitely use on that. So that's one thing I'll definitely want to do is get Fanimation mounting hardware, because I got lots of that. Because I know they in the past had a recall, and they just went all out making their mounting hardware the sturdiest in the world, and making sure that no ball will slip through it. They even oversized the ball. But yeah, this one, since it's a heavier motor, yeah, it definitely had potential to slip through, and it did. Well, okay, the watts on this Homestead Wind are 8 watts and just over a quarter power factor. All right, now to go to medium. It's gonna wobble with it being on the J hook. So that's just what it's gonna be. All right, 0.44 amps, about 28 watts, and half a power factor. All right, medium tends to wobble the worst. So if I want to put this Homestead Wind, or my Wind 1 in my bedroom, I also got this one because of the short down rod, so I can hang my Wind 1 in here. So, I'm probably going to use my Wind 1, use the stuff off of it. And the power factor, well, it's drawing 0.71 amps. 81 watts, and a power factor of 1. So it's drawing exactly that. Okay, well, here's spin down. I'm going to do reverse. switch. Okay. Flip the reverse switch. And of course it's got a long spin down. One thing about these Homestead Winds, they got a long spin down. Okay, well, low reverse. Same current draw. Same as forward. So I think it just changes the polarity on this one. Okay, same current draw. All right, pretty much the same current draw on high. Yep. So, yep. Flip it back. All right, time to do the decade box. 1, 2. Okay. 3.2, 1, 2, 4. And chance 5. Slightly lower than factory low, but I can see just using a standard 5/8-13 as I recall testing these before. So this is about the same low, 6. Okay, this matches factory low. 7, 8. So this would be high medium, or not high, low medium. 9, 10, 11. So this is close to 12. So right on the money with factory medium. If you used a Fanimation learning remote on this fan, you'd get a matching medium. 5 and 12, so low and medium are the same. 13. So this would be high medium for my living room if I use a standard 5/8-13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 17, 18, 19, and 20. So you're safe with any wall control, 8, 12, 20 even. 23, 25, 30. Getting close to high. 33, 35. Maxed out at 40 microfarads. And I'm still under high. All right. All right. Let's do a solid state variable speed control. Okay, a little bit buzzy for a solid state. Yeah, that would not be my choice. My other option is getting standard modern mounting hardware, standard mounting bracket, and a ball for that down rod, and using that. Just won't be using its factory mounting hardware. I can already tell you that. Especially with that accident and a recalled hang. Just like the Casablanca recalled hang true, they gave that little clip to put inside so that the ball would not slip. Okay, once you bring it to high, okay, 0.69, 0.7, so just a hair under. All right, I'm going to go up and stop it. Do 0 to high and check the inrush. Up. Here we go. Really no inrush. Well, okay. That is all I have for this Homestead Wind 2. Using the blades from my Wind 1, which they're identical to, so there really isn't any difference. The only difference is the rounded top versus the flat top. Okay, other than that, that's all I have for this Homestead Wind 2. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fans.